Hello folks, how are you going? I just want to have a quick yarn, just checking my oil. Did an oil change yesterday in this car and it said I was low on oil. I put in half a litre and it's gone from being low to maximum, so go figure. BMW for you, but that's no drama. Just having a quick whinge about my postal service. Trying to get rid of these parcels all stinking day. These parcels I've got to get rid of. Look at them. Yeah. I've got 10 here, 4 at the back, and I can't get rid of them because their phone service is down, which is flaming annoying. But anyway, that's life. I was hoping to go fly my new DJI drone shortly. We'll have to see how we go. It was a bit windier earlier on, but looking outside now, doesn't look too bad. It's nice and clear, so we might go have a quick fly. I just want to have a quick rant about how much money do people make on YouTube. I've been looking at a few videos and there are dudes that's making comment of making about 60 bucks, and these are guys who have around 160,000 subscribers. Well, it's sort of disheartening for people who want to start off in YouTube making money, apart from the fact that it's impossible now because everyone needs 1,000 subscribers to do anything. So 4,000 hours of watch time, which is about 240,000 minutes of watch time in any 365-day period. But anyway, this particular channel was saying along the lines he gets about 50, 60, 70 bucks with 160,000 subscribers for his videos, which isn't entirely accurate. I have other channels, and one of them only has about 1,100 subscribers, and look, that's generating about 60 bucks a month with 1,100 subscribers, and nowhere near the views that he's getting. So I actually think it depends on Google's algorithm and where Google decides to place you, and where Google decides to put your videos in particular search results from other people. So Google's algorithm grabs one of your videos and ranks it fairly high, then it's either going to be putting more ads on your video, or it's going to be putting your videos out for the non-subscriber clicks that you get from your channel. I.e., when you click on YouTube and have a look without searching for anything, you actually get suggestions from YouTube and from Google. So it all depends on your video, on your tags, and a little bit of blind luck, I think. But anyway, so I've been working out now, how can I make my channel grow? So I've got about 300 subs, I need around 700 more. I don't really want it to take me 2 years to get to it, I wouldn't mind doing it in a few months, but it's all about getting videos out there for people to click on. So I'm doing Twitter, I'm doing Facebook, I'm doing all those social media outlets to try and spread my channel around the place. I am sticking to 1 or 2 individual genres. I'm not just uploading any old thing. Yeah, I'm still learning. A lot of my videos are basically crap, but that's okay. I'm having a crack. No harm in having a crack. So I just want a quick rant about the fact that if you're starting out on YouTube and you think I'm never ever going to get there, well, you will. You just got to keep persisting. Upload a couple of videos a week. Make sure there's a good video there. Once a fortnight or so, put something decent there. If someone subscribes to you, subscribe them back and have a look at their channel. You know, spread the love around. And you know, you like your videos and you love your videos, and people will see those results and you'll get clicks around the place. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but if you've got some time on your hands and you like being productive and you give yourself a bit of drive and a bit of purpose, have a shot. Make yourself some extra money, make yourself a bit of beer money or whatever, and get yourself out there, get your channel known. Alrighty, well, I'm going to concentrate on where I'm going, which is to fly my drone and to go to the shops, and I'll see you guys in the soup. No worries, scratch you later.